your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me to slow up. Getting wiser and my money getting older. And that bitch, I ain't even gon' hold it.
Hey bougie baby, this is Barbie and I'm back with another video. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and join the bougie crew because it's the bougie way or no way, period. Today I am back with another hair review / hair install. And today I am wearing Africanmall hair, and this is their 14-inch highlight bob wig, and I believe it's 180 density. This is how it looks. I did some baby hairs. I did some simple baby hairs. And this hair is super silky, very soft, wasn't hard, you know, for me to install it or none of that. Very simple. It only took me strictly about, I would say, 30 minutes to install this wig. All the links on this wig will be in my description box if you want to purchase. I will be doing another video in this wig, but I'll be curling it and doing like something different with it, so we'll see. But I know I do want to put some curls in it because I love the length of this and I love the color, and I know it'll be cute with some cute little wand curls or something like that. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, check out how I just laid this bomb wig from Africanmall. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and enjoy. Okay, so first I'll be taking my powder foundation in the color Java and just putting it over the lace. And then I'll be placing the wig on my head and adjusting it so that way I can get ready to cut the lace. Right here, I'll just be using my wax stick to keep the flyaways out of the way so I won't have any distractions while trying to cut my lace. Now basically after I cut the lace by the ears, I'm going to go in with my Bougie Barbie hair gel as well as the Got To Be Free spray, and then I'm going to blow dry that until it is tacky. Place the lace onto the product, and I'm basically going to be just like pressing the hair and the lace into the product and blow drying it so that way it will just like stick down really good. Now I'm going to go in and cut the lace, and remember to always cut in a zigzag motion and just follow the hairline. That's it. for all the pieces that did not stick down, just go in with your freeze spray and blow dry it, and you'll be good. And I'm just going in with my powder foundation again, and I'm just putting it on the lace so that way it will blend better with my skin tone. Alright, so now it's time for the baby hairs. I just parted a thin layer of hair from the front, and I'll be using my Bougie Barbie hair mousse to lay down my edges, and that is available on my website, so go get that. And now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go in and pluck the part. Once I'm done plucking, I'm going to go in with my powder foundation again and put it on the part. Then I'll be taking my wax stick and my hot comb. Y'all know it's my favorite duo. And just making the part just a little bit more crisp. And then I'm just gonna go in and flatten it, and then that's basically like the end of this look, y'all. Super easy, super quick. If you like this wig, click the link in my description. Leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. And I'm gonna give y'all some looks at the end, and that's it. Hope y'all enjoy. See y'all in the next video. Bye, babes.